Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to schedule a post in your WordPress. So basically this method will not take a lot of time. It will be so simple, so easy. What you have to do, go ahead and open your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there this page will be opened for you. So what you will have to do is pretty easy. Go ahead and your WordPress, go to post, add a new post for yourself, for example, and from here you will be able to add the post. For example, let's have something like that, TV and movies. Let's find an article from these articles that we can find in here. So this one might be good. Okay, let's wait a little bit until it's fully loads in our page. Okay, something like that. We copy this, we go here, we paste it, we come here, we copy this and we add it right here. So now what you'll have to do, basically, sorry guys, so now what you'll have to do is publish it, but this option will make it publish immediately. So if you want to make it anytime you'd like, for example tomorrow by, I don't know, 2022, you will be able to schedule this post. So for example, if we make it schedule, this is the time and this is everything. So click again and we copy the link, and if we went to it, you will actually find it. But for other users, like the visitors, they will not be able to find it until the date that you have chosen. Here there is December 20, so we are at 18 today. So until it comes 20, your visitors will not be able to see this page at all unless they have the link and you made it public somehow. So guys, that's how you can do it, and thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.